Good morning, y'all. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, clearly I just woke up and I am making myself some breakfast. So before you leave, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, say hello, like my video, turn on your notification bell, and join me with my breakfast mukbang. Potatoes, we'll slice them up. I'm about to make some nice fried home potatoes here with some eggs and some ham. Getting my pans ready, my pots, so stay tuned. All I did was grab one large potato, sliced it up, heated some oil, and I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and granulated garlic powder. This right here. I usually use garlic salt, but I don't have any, so that'll work. So I'm gonna wait for that to get nice and brown. I'm gonna make my eggs, my ham, and my bologna. Yeah, and my tortillas. So stay tuned. And while I wait for that to cook, I'm gonna fry me up some bologna and some ham here. Hey, I'm Mexican. This is what we do in the Mexican household, okay? And then I'll do my eggs at the end. So let me know in the comments down below, even if you're not Mexican, let me know if you fry your bologna and ham, potatoes, and eggs for breakfast. I'm just curious, with some tortillas, maybe some toast, I don't know. Let me know. I have some sausage as well, but that's a little bit too much protein, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with the ham and bologna. So let me know down below if you guys like to fry your meats as well for breakfast. Potatoes are almost done. I actually turned the heat off. Ham is done, bologna is done. Let's crack these eggs now. Let's see if I can do this. I like my eggs over medium. Yes, perfect yolk. Got some Dunkin' Donut shop coffee going on in the Keurig. Almost ready to start, guys. Alright, y'all, we are ready to eat. I am starving. Took me a while to do my breakfast, but got some potatoes, fried ham, fried bologna, 2 eggs with cheese over medium. Got my cafecito. Got my condiments, my ketchup, and my hot sauce. For my eggs and for my potatoes. Got my Coldest Water here. I'll leave the link in the description with my coupon code. This is the best water bottle I've ever had. It's insulated. It literally kept my ice for 42 hours. They claim 36, but it's actually more than 36 hours. So definitely check them out. I'll leave the link in the description. And let's just go in. Look at my plate. I know it looks a little tacky, but this is what I'm having with 1 tortilla. Usually when I have potatoes in my meal, I omit the tortilla because carbs galore. Carbs galore, that's what I meant to say. But we're gonna get it in, okay? Let me give grace. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Please provide those who are less fortunate. Continue those who are those who provide, and those who make. In the name I pray, amen. So you might be hearing background noises. Got the moms here in the kitchen doing what she do. And let's put some of this hot sauce on the eggs. I may have cooked one of the eggs. This is kind of hot. I may have cooked one of the eggs over hard because I left it in the stove for a little too long. This is salsa picante Rio Mayo hot sauce from Mexico that my auntie sent for me. Some ketchup on the side here. And so we're gonna see. Honestly, I like my eggs with yolk. I like to pop my own yolk when I have it on the plate. Here's a potato. Look at that one. So I hope that there's still some yolk in my egg. I need a napkin. Let's give it a try. I think this one's over hard. Oh no, there's still yolk in this. Yay! Don't mind my ghetto placement here, okay? If I didn't have this, you guys wouldn't have seen no food. So don't judge my props. Picking it up with the tortilla. Yes, I use my fingers and my tortilla. only way I'll eat a bologna is if it's fried. I don't like raw bologna meat. So no bologna sandwich for me. Also, when I have ham or bologna for breakfast, I don't usually tend to use tortilla because I use that as a tortilla to pick up my egg. I know it sounds weird, but it's what I do. Too much hot sauce. I need a napkin. My bad. I needed a napkin. You guys. So, I know I look a hot mess, atrocious and ferocious, whatever. I literally laid in bed for like 2 hours. I'm not gonna even lie. I woke up at 8 a.m. It's now 10:45. Laid in bed for about 2 hours, just contemplated whether I should get up or not, because first of all, I had to go to the gym, which I haven't yet. Then I got hungry just laying there, and I have to study, have to do some homework. I know I had a film today, so I just got overwhelmed just thinking about all that, so I just literally laid there in bed for 2 hours, hoping that all my issues would go away. But now I just have to rush things because I wasted 2 hours of my life. So here I am. Got one thing out of the way, two things out of the way: breakfast and filming. And now I have to study, do homework, and go to the gym, and then go to school. Well, there goes my whole day. But it's okay. Let's get into the next egg here. Oh, shout out to all my new subscribers. If you've never seen me before, don't be scared. Because I do look a little scary right now, but I was like, I just woke up. Let me just show them the real me, the raw me, when I wake up or when I get out of bed. You know what I'm saying? No filter, no nothing. Cheers. Whew. I'm getting full. I get full really fast nowadays. But we're gonna finish this breakfast. It took me like 30 minutes to make this for the potatoes, so we're gonna eat it all. ¿No has comido más? Hay que recoger papas. The ham. Shout out to my nephew who is in South Korea. I love you, baby. Alonzo, my #1 fan. He loves watching me on his big screen TV. So I thought I'd give you a shout out, baby. And thanks for watching me. Thanks for the support. Can't wait to see you. And shout out to my sister for letting him watch me. Okay. Where's my tortilla? This is my last piece of tortilla, so if I don't have enough for the egg, I'm gonna have to use the ham. Sorry for the faucet water noise. I know. you're probably like, ew, but that's what I do. Okay. It's what a lot of us in the Hispanic culture do when we have tortillas. We don't use a fork, we use the tortilla. Am I right? That was crunchy. I'm almost done, but I'm super full. Let's pick up the ham. I made the eggs perfect today. Over medium with yolk, but it was like properly cooked, because I know that when you make an egg like over medium or over easy, when you crack the yolk, some little like clear white substance come out. Ugh. That needs to be cooked thoroughly because that will gross me out. That's probably why a lot of people don't like the yolk and stuff. It's okay. My mom's trying not to make any noise, but it's all good. That's probably why a lot of people don't like to eat the egg with the yolk, because of that ugly white gooey stuff. But my eggs were cooked perfectly today. So I'm on my last potato, y'all. This water is phenomenal. Excuse me. This is my water, right? The water that's in here is mine. From my 5-gallon water that we get. But what I'm saying is that I've had this water since yesterday, and there's still ice in there. I put the ice in there yesterday morning. It's like a lot of ice, but it like balls up, you know what I'm saying, together, because when you add water, that's what it does. Science, you know. But what I'm saying is that the water just tastes so good. Like, you can't taste any of the material. This is stainless steel, and you can't taste like a nasty aftertaste material of the water bottle. Excuse me. It's just so refreshing. And your ice and your water stay cold for like 3 days, no lie. Almost 3 days. Check them out. If you want to be part of the ambassador team, I'll also leave the link down below so that you guys can sign up. Totally free. Hello. Totally awesome to be part of. So check them out. Not only do they have water bottles, they have backpacks, they have pillows, mattresses. Like, what the heck? That's super cool. So I am done with my breakfast. I am stuffed. Now I need to finish the rest of my chores and go on about my day, because it's going to be a long one. So I thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm sorry this looks like a low budget, low quality video, because it is. I ain't gonna lie. But don't trip. You're gonna watch me evolve throughout my videos. When you go back in time and see all my videos into the future, you're gonna see how much I've evolved. And that's okay. I love watching how people evolve. So that's why I document my videos. Like, a lot of mukbangers in the community have inspired me to come on here and do my own mukbangs and vlog and all that stuff. So I want to see my growth. I want to see how I've evolved, you know what I'm saying, throughout the time. Might be a slow progress, a slow process, but I'm gonna get there, because I am going to stay consistent. I need to make a schedule for myself, because I do have a job and I do go to school. So YouTube is kind of my secondary thing that I try to incorporate into my life, but I'm trying to make this my career. You know what I'm saying? So I'll get there one day. Mark my words, you're gonna see this video, you know what I'm saying, in the future, from the past, Does that make sense? And you're gonna see how much I've evolved. But I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please go check out the Coldest Water. Please like my video, share my video, comment down below, and turn on your notification. And please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I love you guys. I will see you guys on my next video.
So my mom wanted me to,
Huh?
So my mom wanted me to record the cleaning process because, you know, I dirtied a couple of pans and she over there laughing, but she wanted me to record this process too. So here you go. You're welcome.